Hey, what's up, deserts? It's me, Savannah, and I'm back with another mini vlog. Come spend the day with us in Subic. As you can see, magulo ang kwarto and come get ready with me. Since beach yung pupuntahan natin, sunscreen first, then setting spray. Since hindi ako lagi gumagamit ng foundation, I use my powder. Then blush on. Simple eyeshadow. Highlight. Lip tint and my lipstick. Ganon lang po ako kasimple mag-makeup. Here, kitang-kita naman na ang dami kong dala ko pa rin ng aking Poke Bear. We were supposed to leave by 3 a.m. but unexpectedly we left at 4 a.m. Actually, natulog lang ako sa biyahe since hindi mahaba yung idlip ko nung gabi neto. And ito yung view nung malapit na kami sa Subic. We stopped by 7-Eleven since we were supposed to buy ice. Pero walang ice. Eventually, we arrive at All Hands Beach Resort. Ito yung view nila sa may bandang entrance. Then, ito yung view nung sa dulong cottage. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang lamon ng ante nyo. Nakita naman sa video ko and ang dami kong kinain. After kumain, we took pics and I did a transition.
Yeah, yeah. Look at me. You looking?
After niya, nag-swimming na rin kami. We tried to go there sa floaty pero medyo malalim pa at that time. Tapos by 2 p.m. we decided na mag-banana boat. Halata naman sa face ko yung pagkatakot ko na mahulog yung phone ko since wala siyang protective. Pero I trust my mother naman. Malakas pa po ang loob ko na umupo sa bandang pangalawa sa harap. Pero in the end, I regret it and lumipat kami sa may bandang dulo ng pinsan ko. Mukha lang po yung mabagal pero mabilis po yan. Diyos ko. Ganyan po yan kabilis. Hindi pa kami masyadong malayo niyan. Hindi ko na rin pala namalayan na malapit pala kami sa may bandang bundok sa dulo. Like there. Unexpectedly, nahulog kami. Even though nahulog, okay lang naman, masaya naman. Grabe, yung 15 minutes, para lang siyang 10 minutes talaga. Grabe yung change positions namin. Nasa dulo na talaga ako niyan, guys. Dito, hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin na ganun kabilis. Actually, guys, nag-split pa ako.
Bakit sila tumawag, kuya? Sinadya!
Isa pa naman ang split.
Nag-split?
Hindi siya makakakyat ng split. Mamulat kasi ako! Alam mo naman gawin ko, hindi ko siya ano.
Siyempre, after nung Banana Beach, lumamon lang din ako. And after ko lumamon no, nag-swimming lang uli kami ng saglit. But eventually, we decided to go na since day tour lang naman kami. This view was in the morning. This view was in the afternoon. Grabe, maliwa-liwanag pa nun pero bumuhos din yung ulan bago kami umuwi. After namin maligo, nagbanlaw lang din kami and nag-ayos na rin ako. And ito yung status nung paalis na kami. Dumidilim na and ganyan siya kalakas nung umalis na kami. Upon leaving, maliwanag pa and natulog lang din ako but when I woke up, madilim na and malakas pa rin yung ulan. We decided to stop over para kumain ng dinner. McDonald's yung napili namin but my other tita chose Subway. This is Bella. after the long day, grabe yung gutom pa rin namin. And that's it, deserts. Bye-bye!